Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on switching between list view and grid view in the app gallery of the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Some people prefer list view, while others prefer grid view. It's personal preference really. Follow the steps to learn how to switch between the list view and the grid view app view. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down Settings and select App View. Here you can choose between Grid View and List View. As you can see, if I go home and tap the digital crown, my app view has been changed to List View. This puts all the apps in a long list, single file as it were. When you have a grid view app view, all of the apps are in a grid pattern beside each other. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.